38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is a plus 10d is equal to 38 and 16th term means a plus 15d is equal to 73. This is the equation 1, this is equation 2. Consider 1. A is equal to 38 minus 10d. Substitute the A value in equation 2. 38 minus 10d plus 15d equal to 73. 38 plus 15d minus 10d, it becomes plus 5d is equal to 73. 5d is equal to 73 minus 38. 5d is equal to 35. D is equal to 35 by 5. 7. D is equal to 7. Substitute the B value in 1. A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to minus 32. They ask 31st term of AP. The A 31st is equal to A plus 30D. A minus 32, D is 7. Minus 32 plus 7 into 30, 210. 210 minus 32, 178.